Okay, what's up, man? Send the email. Yeah, you're right to do that. 3x. If it takes you over like an hour, just send me the email. Okay. I had some errands to do today, so I didn't get to it now. I usually check it sooner. There's two answers because you have x squared. So you want to label A, and then the x term is B, and that's so I have A, B, C. So the first thing I want to do is see if all that box crap's a waste of time. It depends on what the discriminant is. So I go B to the second minus 4A and C. Okay. So I know B is negative 5 to the power of 2 minus 4, and then A is 3, C is negative 2. Okay. Alright, so I know that's positive 25. The second power is always positive. 4 times 3 times negative 2 is going to be negative 24. So that ends up 49, and that's equal to 7. So you're right about that. So me getting a whole number with that, the 7, which you did right, that means your t-chart's going to work. So that's the way I would suggest doing the problem. Okay. So the GCF, if it's when I get a decimal that this crap's a waste of time, but I got a whole number, so it's going to work. GCF would just be 1 out of that group, so we wouldn't do it. So I take 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. So it's a negative, so it has to be 1 positive, 1 negative. And we're adding to try to get to negative 5. So 6 divided by 1 is 6. So we add those, and that's negative 5. Okay, so that's what I want to roll with. Now my A is a 3, okay? And I can't just delete it if it's not a 1, it's a 3. So I'm going to factor it correctly, I need to put it into 4 parentheses with the equals 0 there. So start with your 3. And then you can go x plus 1, x minus 6. That's not the end of it. You wouldn't be able to divide down here. That would stay 3x plus 1, and that's f1. That right there can be divided by 3, both of them, and that's x minus 2, 1x minus 2. And then you're ready to solve it, get your two answers. So 3x plus 1 equals 0, 1x minus 2 equals 0. So you add 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2, so 2 would be one of the answers, and then minus 1. Now keep in mind, you can keep that as a fraction, or if you divided negative 1 by 3, it would be negative 0.3 repeating. So either answer is okay. And those are your two solutions.